In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Smartsheet cells to create a seamless flow of information across your projects. This process can be a game changer in keeping your data up to date and consistent, no matter how many sheets you're managing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently link information from one Smartsheet to another, saving time and reducing errors in data management. Let's dive right in. To start, open your destination sheet in Smartsheet. This is the sheet where you want the data to appear, creating a live connection to another data source. Navigate to the specific cell or range of cells where you want this information to be populated. It's crucial to select the right cell, as this is where your referenced data will always appear. Once you've chosen the cell or range, right-click with your mouse. In the context menu that appears, you want to look for and select the option Link from Cells in another sheet. This is a powerful feature that allows us to connect our current sheet with another, ensuring it pulls data directly from the source you specify. Next, Smartsheet will guide you to select the source sheet, the sheet that contains the data you want to link to your destination sheet. Navigate through your list of sheets, or use the search function if needed to find the specific sheet you want to use as your reference. Once you've located it, click to open that source sheet. With the source sheet open, it's now time to choose the cell or cells you wish to link to your destination sheet. Take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the correct data. This step is all about directness, ensuring the data you need is precisely what you're linking. After selecting the desired cell or range in the source sheet, look for the Create Link button, usually located towards the bottom of the screen. Click it to finalize and establish the connection. By doing this, you've set up a live link, meaning any updates in the source cell will automatically reflect in your destination sheet. This real-time connection is what makes Smartsheet such a robust tool for maintaining consistency across multiple sheets. Congratulations, you've successfully linked cells across two Smartsheets. This setup will help maintain data integrity and save you the hassle of manual updates or potential discrepancies. If you want to double-check your work, head back to your destination sheet to see the linked data displayed. Feel free to repeat this process with other cells or ranges as needed to streamline your workflow further. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheet linking.